How to withdraw money from Bitget. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can withdraw money from Bitget. First off, open up any web browser and head over to bitget.com. Make sure to sign into your account. For that, click on the login option, enter all of your credentials and sign into your account. If you are new to this, you can click on the sign up option to create a new account. Now, once you have been signed in, on the home page, you want to click on the wallet icon. Then from there, select the withdraw option. Now, the first thing you have to do here is select a coin. So go ahead and click on this drop-down menu and select your preferred coin. Then the next thing you want to do is select your network and then enter the withdrawal address. Once you have selected the network and entered the withdraw address, click on the next option and follow the on-screen instructions to withdraw. Now, if you want to withdraw money to your bank account, what you want to do is click on the withdraw fiat option that you can see. Once you click on this option, it's going to bring you to another page. Now, in this page, you first have to select your currency. As of now, it is selected to euro. You can click on this and then select whichever currency you want. After that, you want to select the deposit method. Go ahead and select the deposit method and click on the next option. If there is any security verification, you will have to complete that as well. Next thing you want to do is enter the amount. Then follow the on-screen instructions and provide any other information that is required. After all the process has been completed, you can send it to your bank account, and this is how you can withdraw money from Bitget. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.